Hi guys, I am just about ready to go to Birningham, and I hope that you will follow along on the vlog this weekend, and welcome to the vlog. So we got to the hotel and we had to check in at 3, but we went to a home show for today, like when we arrived, and then we got the car show tomorrow. Hi guys, so we had a really good night and we had a cup of coffee this morning and we're going for breakfast soon. So yeah, and then we're not going to leave here till 10:30, 11, because we want to try and be in there before Hammond talks at 12. But yeah, see you in the show. Right guys, I had a lovely day and I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog as much as I did filming it and doing it all today. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll do another one soon.